Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from all around the world. Look, we're starting to collect flags for you guys. This is just great. Please keep coming in. I love it. Look, this is not even a half the display. There's so many. We're going to try to put them up around this board at some point. Thank you so much, traders. Thank you so much. Anyway, we got some trades to talk about. We're going to talk about Tuesday, 2607. We're looking for S&P, which is sitting at this teeter-totter trying to make new highs. Failed to make a new high today. Guess you got to go with the short side. You know, the S&P works. It sticks its ugly head up. If it doesn't follow through, you get the drop. I must say, the S&P has gotten itself over a really tough resistance level lately in this 1454 area. So there's a good shot that you may actually get your runaway, but I play it this way every time, so I'm going to play it this way like I would do any other time. I'm a short-term trader with a long-term view. I plan on being here at the end of the road. The only way to do that is to stick to my guns and trade my trades and trade my correlations and trade everything that I think usually happens over and over. And you guys got to do the same thing. Always trade repetitious signals that you see is the easiest way to be right. Repetition, if it happens over and over, the odds are good it's going to happen over again for you. That being said, we got close to buying the lows in soybeans this morning. We missed it by about 4.5 ticks. We're looking to buy March beans around 730.5. The low was 734.5, and away it went. We did get filled in silver. We took a $250 loss in silver. We did a pass out in gold, or maybe a $20 loser in gold. Depends on where you got out. In fact, if you waited till the final minute in silver, you might have gotten out with a pass out or just a couple of ticks against you. In any event, we had a losing day today. It didn't work, but a small one, so not bad. We're in there again for tomorrow. Boom, boom. Let's make some money. You ready? Let's go with the S&P. We're going to sell March Emini 1453 to 1454. It's there right now on Globex. I just placed my orders and I heard a ring when this video started, which means I just got filled. You guys are going to get filled if you place your orders. Selling March Emini 1453 to 1454. Place your buy stop at 1457.25 or just a little higher. Right there though, anything above 57, I'm running for the hills. I don't want to be short this thing. 1444.5 to 1443.5 on a pullback is where I'd buy them back. Look, I'm being nimble on my short trade. You may get a big run down. You may get 2 days in a row. But this is a very bullish market. I've showed this to you last week. It is bullish, but sometimes you got to hit it before you get the run. I'm playing it from the downside. Omni says we're going down. I believe in Omni. So the only way we're getting up is if we get above 1457.25. Now listen. You're selling it between 53 and 54. The stop is only 57.25. My work is begging me to use tight stops. That means there's an opportunity for this thing to really run on the upside. You know me, I'm not a hedger. I never say it might go up or it might go down. I give you the deal that I think is going to happen. I think they're going to fail them and knock them down. But sitting up there at these high levels, we may get stopped out, but it's a little stop. So you may want to shoot 2 lots or 10 lots or whatever your double number is. You may want to double up on this trade because it's a little loss. If we're right, you catch the downside maybe for 2 days in a row. If we're wrong, you get a small loss, and we know there's an elevator ride coming because we're breaking out to new levels. That's why I'm playing the S&P for tomorrow. You have Euro currency. You Euro guys out there, I've had a few guys write to me, more than a few, and say, what about the Euro currency? We're European traders. Well, here I am, guys. I had you in mind. I'm going to sell Euro currency tomorrow, ECH7. Whoever sent me the email on that, thank you so much. ECH7 for tomorrow. We're sellers at 129.70 to 129.80 in the Euro currency. The high right now is somewhere around 129.70 or maybe 60. I want to get short if it rallies up into those highs tonight. I want to see a drop for tomorrow. The dollar index looks good. Makes Euro currency look bad. My buy stop, 1302.5, 132, oh, excuse me, 132. We're going to sell at 129.70. We're going to buy it if it gets to 130.02. So we're looking for about a 32-point risk. If it gets above 130, 130.02, I'm out of the thing. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me change that for you because I just wrote that incorrectly. This is going to be like 130.02. That was $1 million bills that just fell. 130.02, you want to get out right there if we're wrong. I'm going to look to take profit at 128.75. Could take 1 to 2 trading sessions. This is a holder. 128.75. If we sell it at 129.70, between 70 and 80, buying them back at 128.75. That should happen by Wednesday's close. I'd be out by Wednesday's close if I didn't get my price by then, but I will keep you informed. I would be out of S&P by tomorrow's close no matter what. That in mind, remember, sell them at 129.70 to 129.80. That's the Euro currency March. Place your stops just above the 130 level. If it gets above 130, get out of this thing, but make it like 130.02. You know, don't let them nail you at the 130 level. And look for 128.75 in the next 2 days. Okay, that we took care of those couple of things. Remember the tight stops here. It's telling us something's going on. I've showed this to you before. I've had more than a couple of traders write into me and tell me that they're not getting my emails and my flash updates. I assure you they go out, and I assure you they go out timely. But here's what's going on. Take a look in your spam box. The odds are good that they're in your spam box because I send them out to about 400 or 500 people now. The list is starting to grow. Thanks, traders. I love it. Keep it coming. I'll help as many as I can. But we're sending them out to a lot of people, and your spam and your email clients are probably shooting them off into spam. Check your spam box. Unspam the email coming from me, and you should have no more trouble with that. If you unspam it once, it remains unspammed. I got some more phone calls from my ODI indicator. Somebody found on my site where we're doing construction, somehow they got into a spot where the ODI is being tested. It is not for real at the moment. I am not showing you the ODI indicator on my site. Anyone who's found the ODI on my site, remember that it's only in construction right now. It is not valid. Don't take any signals off the ODI on my site. At my website, which is www.futuresanalysts.com, what you'll find there is a front page with the trading recs that I email to you every day. It's very crude, the site for now. There is a forum where you can talk to me, but that's all there is, and I prefer that no one does anything with it yet for a few more days or maybe a week or two. Once we release the new site, you're going to dig it. I've been working on it hard. Me as a full-time trader, it's working well for me. When I look at the site, it gives me everything I need. I'm assuming it's going to do the same for you. When you're at the YouTube site, subscribe to me. You'll get your videos like that right away. As soon as I video, and we video them, we edit them, we shoot them right out. YouTube has them immediately. They disperse them to anybody who's hit my subscribe button and has become a subscriber to short-term trading. You can contact me if you'd like at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. Call me, get on my flash updates list. I will give you flash updates as they happen. In fact, I sent out a flash update already tonight before this video because I'm sure anybody who's got the email is already going to be short in the S&P. Watch your flash updates. If you don't have email, give me a call at 718-351-2266 and I'll put you on. Hey, don't forget, always, always, always place the stop. Place the stop when you place your entry order. It is very important. One day you will be going, God, I wish I would have listened to Oscar if you don't do it. Place your stops when you place your entry orders. Good luck, traders. I'll keep you updated. Let's knock them clean tomorrow.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.